The DOS design is better, equipment levels are brilliant as well, so the entry-level car has pretty much all you need. You've got this much screen, you've got SAT nav, satellite navigation. There are heated seats, they're electric, the list goes on. The full leather interior. If you go far the inspection, it has super soft Nappa leather seats. There's an odd design version. Description. Which has sportive, it's a trim, then you can have pro versions. The Inscription Pro is fully luxurious, fully posh. And on the XC60 they have made the icons a little bit bigger than on the information system in the XC90. So they're easy to operate and hit while you're moving. It has a panoramic sunroof fitted, and then there are some other bits and pieces. Like you've got this armrest, a little tray and some storage there, and where the cup holders. In terms of outright capacity, its boot is smaller than all its all major SUV rivals. Still, you do get an automated tailgate as standard. And let's be honest, the boot is still big enough for most people, and it's a nice usable square shape. Even there's a 12-volt socket there for charging things such as mobile devices. Or for plugging in a vacuum cleaner for cleaning out the boot end. It has a space-saver spare wheel that you don't get on all SUVs these days. Steering looks so nice and light, makes maneuvers an absolute doddle. Who sit up high as well and get a good view put in. This particular car is fitted with air suspension and it in comfort. And if you want to know more about the Volvo XC60 SUV car, make sure to check our blog linked below.